Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 5th, 2022. We're going to talk about Lucid today because the market, Lucid has decided to cut their production forecast for their vehicles, and it kind of hit the market yesterday. They went ahead and reported earnings yesterday. You guys can see right here. They reported earnings 2 days ago from today, and they let out some information. And the market in Lucid on yesterday's trade, they ended up down almost 10%, 9.73%. I wanted to come through and show you all what I think the market's going to do off this information, because what happens now is going to be real important as to where price is going to go. Now, before I show you all of this information, to those who are new, let me plug you all into what I offer. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I simply come through and show you all where I think the price is going to go. I give you all my idea, my forecast as to where price is going to move so that we can be in position and win in the market. All right, so I want you all to join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. All right, now real quick, the article right here, this is an article right here from Market Watch. Okay, Lucid stock plunges after electric vehicle maker cuts production guidance for the year. Now you guys can see that shares of Lucid fell more than 10% in after hours trading Wednesday after the electric vehicle maker announced a reduction in its production forecast. Now, question, is this information being released as positive or negative? How would you view this information that you're looking at right now? Because they create these articles to instill some type of emotion from us. This particular article right here, what Lucid is saying in terms of reducing their production forecast is trying to be thrown out as negative, meaning since they are reducing the production of their vehicles forecast for this year, then obviously that means that they won't make that much money, right? The revenue is going to be a lot lower than what they originally intended. Cool, we get that. So since we got this sense that the information that Lucid just released after their earnings is negative, we should see that reflected on the price chart going forward. Okay, now I'm going to show you all something on the price chart that kind of lets me know that, yeah, that information may be negative, but the buyers still came into the market. Let me show it to you all. So real quick, I did a video right here in Lucid on the 25th of July, right? Looking for the price in Lucid to go down. So for us to see price down 9.73% yesterday, I wasn't nervous about that. Like, I was already looking for the price to fall in Lucid. Now, I wanted to show you something that's very important though, because after I produced this video in Lucid, right, you all can see how price in Lucid did not really fall, did it? No, it didn't. Look at this. The price actually found the buyers here. Okay, look at all these trading days for Lucid. We have 6 days in the market in Lucid to where the market went down to like $17.80, give or take, and it caught the bid and price went up, right? Here we are today, just yesterday's trading. The market in Lucid, yeah, it fell 9, almost 10%. It did. The volume as well came through in Lucid too, right? Look at all the volume that came into the market in Lucid yesterday. But the price still did not fall below $17.80. What's going on in the market? Did that information that Lucid released in their earnings, did it really impact the price in Lucid? Like, are the people, all the market participants who are involved in Lucid really trying to sell their Lucid in the market? Because all this volume could also mean that buyers came into the market as well to buy up this stock in Lucid. Like, let's look at this. Let me zoom out and show you all what's really been going on. You all can see how the price in Lucid is not really trading, right? It's not on a bias direction. It's not trending higher. It's not trending lower. We're just simply seeing the market in Lucid trade range bound right now. That's what we're getting. So this tells me that possibly the market in Lucid is creating an opportunity to consume and buy up as much of this stock as possible before the market in Lucid does this, before it goes back up. Okay, so Let's look at this on the weekly time frame first, because I want to show you that even here on the weekly time frame, we have to be careful that the market in Lucid from a longer term perspective. All right. See, we need to be keen on how the price moves going forward now, because if people still feel negative about Lucid cutting their production, then price will fall the same way. It will trend down. It will go down in price because people don't feel positive about the market in Lucid anymore. And I wanted to show you all this on the weekly chart in Lucid, right? Look at the weekly chart though. And this is one of the things that's negative in Lucid going forward long term. On a daily basis, we've seen buyers step in, right, to try to keep price up in Lucid. But on a weekly chart, look at all of these weekly price bars that Lucid could not break above $20. So we have buyers down at $17.80 and sellers at $20. That is where the tight range is between the markets. Sellers are selling at $20, buyers are buying at $17.80. Which one is going to give? I would say that the buyers will give first, because looking at this weekly chart, you all can see how many weeks the buyers have tried to break price above 20, and every time it did, it came back down. So the sellers have a longer history of being successful at keeping the buyers at bay. Okay, so I'm going to continue to go forward in my analysis of looking for Lucid to go down in price. I just wanted to show you that so far, given the last 6 days of trading on a daily time frame, the buyers are trying to hold the market. That's what I wanted to show you all. They're trying to continue to hold the price, but they have such of a monumental job ahead of them that from a weekly chart, the sellers are definitely outdoing the buyers in this round. Keep your eyes open on that, because the charts are not lying. So we really should not be a buyer in the market in Lucid until we see the market trade above $20, right? So today's the last day of the week. We're going to see how the market in Lucid trades, because if it trends back up higher towards $20, then next week's trading is going to be real important for us to actually see the market in Lucid break back up above 20, because if it does, then I'll be coming back in doing another video showing you all what to expect now, because all of this volume right here simply meant that buyers are going to try to stage another comeback and try to break that price above 20. So let's see how the market works in Lucid today. And if we continue to see the market hold $17.80 or $18, then yeah, I'm prepared to come in next week and do another video for Lucid and show you all what I expect the market's going to do. But so far, looking at this on a longer term perspective, the market in Lucid is still generally weak. Okay, it is still weak. So I'm going to leave this alone right now, but I'm going to give you all an opportunity to tell me, has anything changed for you? Did the market in Lucid change in your idea? Where do you think the price is going to go now, since they came out and said that they were going to reduce their production forecast? Let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.